Hey, this is Gary Hess with Gary Criswell. Now, we're getting ready for the Bird Hermitage game, and we're so excited about this game. Instead of post-game extra, we're going to give you pre-game extra. We're going to preview the game tonight, and where else to do it but here at Elkin Sports Performance, where the Elkin Sports Performance Player of the Week this year, they've been one of our great sponsors, Jason Elkin, a great supporter of high school football. So we're hanging out here tonight, so we wanted to do this video here. Bird and Hermitage, Gary, 6th consecutive year that they've met in the playoffs. We've been there for every single one of them, and that just says all you need to know about what these two programs got going on right now.
They certainly are the benchmark, and of course, Hound Springs has stolen a little bit of their thunder, despite the fact they have a loss to Hermitage. But on the way over here, Gary, I was thinking, if Boise Bird wasn't a 3-time defending champion, I think we might consider Hermitage a slight favorite.
Hermitage comes in with that 10-0 record, a very impressive win over Highland Springs, and they're a team with the speed, the athleticism all around the field. Bird, classic power football. Now they have athletes too, but it is a speed versus power matchup.
I think so, but keep something in mind. Boise Bird has left a trail of defeated playoff opponents that run the spread off. The reason that is, Bird is very fundamental up front with their defensive linemen, as on both sides of football, very, very fundamental. The teams don't get out of position, they get some penetration up the field. Their linebackers can all run, and the defensive backs always have a great recognition of the transition from pass run or run to pass.
Give me a couple of things to look for in the game from the LC Bird perspective if the Skyhawks want to be successful.
Well, I think they've got to make Hermitage one-dimensional, which is really, really going to be tough because Eli Odom has shown the ability to put the team on his back. But I think Bird is probably too athletic on defense. Been there, done that, and you cannot play them one-dimensional, no matter how good your passing attack is. Of course, I'm talking about downfield pass. Hermitage uses full pass as running plays, possession plays, all the bubble screens and all the reads and that type of thing. It's part of their football and offense. So, but again, I think if Bird can get the rhythm where Hermitage has to rely on the pass and they can put them behind the chains a little bit, I think that'll be the key to victory.
Give me a couple of things for Hermitage.
Well, they've got to make some big plays, and obviously I think they made a statement by wanting to shift the game to a synthetic turf. It's great for me. I hate to give up the home field advantage. I guess you could make the argument it makes it push Elkin Bird on the bus 15 minutes longer, but it also puts Hermitage on the bus. And that's always a change for the team. But I think to get things done, their defense has to come up big. They've raised them right. They're great at the defensive tackles. We've noticed all year that their defensive ends make plays. They've got some depth there, as does Bird. Those linebackers have been starting and playing together. And I'm thinking really talking about both sides. But for Hermitage, they saw it coming. And I really like their playmaking ability. One other serious advantage Hermitage has, I think, is the kicking game. And they've got to win that because we have seen Bird flip that on playoff opponents all the time because they get so many athletes.
Both teams are 11-0. We cannot wait. 6:30 airtime on Fox Sports 910, foxsports910.com, and the iHeartRadio app. Just go to Fox Sports 910 once you get on the app. Now, real quick, the other game is Highland Springs and Lee Davis. It was the Springers 42-0 during the regular season. We saw Lee Davis last week, very impressive. Any reason to think it'll be different this time around?
Only one reason, that's because Lee Davis has gone through spurts through the season, and obviously Highland Springs was a giant spurt buster the first time they met. But I really was impressed by Lee Davis' ability the 2 times we saw him to move the ball through the air, use finesse. They have plenty of power football. I love the way they use offensive playmakers. I just don't think they can keep the Highland Springs team off the field long enough. But Lee Davis is built for a shutout. I'm not for a shutout. They were built for a shutout for touchdowns. They're built for a really stunning victory, upset. It's just not going to happen. Too big a hole to pile out of. It's the same season, tough to recover from a 6-touchdown loss.
Thomas Dale's on the road at C.D. Hilton in 6A South. Also, you have Cosby hosting Riverbend in 4A East. Hanover and Dinwiddie get together without Clayton Cheatham. Hopewell will be hosting Skyline in 3A. And then, of course, you have Benedictine and Trinity Episcopal going for state championships in the private school league. What there jumps out at you?
Well, I think I like our chances in all those games, especially the ones where we have both two central teams. But for the most part, I really like our teams that are playing out of the district. I really like the field for. I think Thomas Dale's back at the right time. Cosby certainly went on a nice run. They both have some history of some success in the playoffs in this format. Monica, Hanover, Dinwiddie, I was still anticipating that game. Dinwiddie getting a big upset. The Hanover Dinwiddie, now that's a rematch worth watching. Just don't know what the impact will be.
We'll have our Jeff Stapleton covering that Hanover Dinwiddie game, and we'll have all the details for you of the Bird Hermitage game as it unfolds on Fox Sports 910. High school football, we've got you covered. He's Gary Criswell. I'm Gary.